Hello, I'm Sarah, the person behind this YouTube channel. I'm a Danish girl. I live in Denmark, in a small town called Løgumkloster. Did I say I was 21 years old? Yeah. Yeah. This is awkward. I'm pretty much the most shyest girl in this whole world. And right now my hair is a total mess. I'm going to dye it soon and get a haircut just like Miley Cyrus, because I think she's awesome. Oh well, a lot of my spare time goes on sitting on Facebook, where I roleplay Hannah Marin from the TV show Pretty Little Liars. But in this case, she lives in Mystic Falls and plays in The Vampire Diaries, and those are the people I roleplay with, and made-ups, of course. So this was a little from me. I will post more videos, and just remember to subscribe or whatever it is, and you'll see more from me. Bye.